Okay, and I also learned that there's nothing, this has been so true, there's nothing like sitting down during the holiday season for a nice dinner with some close family and friends.
Oh. Oh, that's great. Oh no! Oh, look at. Oh, that's great. Oh. Oh no.
That's quite the setup.
That is great.
Oh.
Yeah, licking the plate now. Oh, that's great. Oh no!
Okay, so that is was posted on YouTube by. There we go.
Great.
This guy's fantastic.
That's great.
Okay.
Oh, look.
Okay, so that I got to tell you, that was posted on YouTube by Freshpet, which is a pet food company,
Oh,
but it
that's
was
great.
done with animals from the Utah Humane Society.
Oh,
so I'll be posting that. Yesterday, cats and Christmas trees, 85%.
That's so great.
Don't even vote today, folks, because I know where you're going with it.
Yeah.
Although I
Oh,
love the
that's what
Megatron. But anyway, isn't that great?
Oh, that's
so we'll post that. Those are some of the things I learned on the internet today.
That's lovely.